Hello everyone.
We are Spark Technosapiens. We are proud to present our project Unified Sentinel.
Now imagine a BSF patrol in a deep remote harsh terrain. Today they use two separate devices. First a VHF radio transmitter for voice transmission and another a GPS tracker for location transmission. While both of these devices are highly compatible with one another, but this duplication increases the management complexity, weight and risk to the soldier's life.
Our solution is a single intelligent handheld called Unified Sentinel, a compact system that unifies communication, tracking and safety into one rugged device powered by the silicon carbon composite battery and ESP32W32 dual-core microcontroller as the brain of the system. The working interface is handled by the VHF module at the defense standards.
For navigation, the GNSS module that we are using access 45 plus global satellites across GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and BeiDou constellations, which provide sub-meter accuracy and rapid reactivation even in dense forests and urban canyons.
The tracking telemetry integrates three layers of communication: VHF, 4G LTE and Iridium Satcom for global and uninterrupted satellite connectivity. The VHF is also enhanced by the LoRaWAN module for the telemetry up to 10 kilometers. Beyond that, once no acknowledgement is received, the 4G comes into play, and even if it fails, the rock-block Iridium Satcom takes over the 66th satellite constellation, ensuring the mission continuity even when the network fails. The cognitive switching algorithm, which intelligently evaluates link strength, latency and power to auto-select the most efficient communication path, ensures over 99.8% field simulations. The MPU 9250 gyroscope enables man-down detection sensing freefall, impact and prolonged inactivity, and instantly triggers SOS alerts across all the three channels.
Powered by 6500 mAh silicon carbon composite battery, Unified Sentinel achieves longer endurance, over 40% higher energy density and 25% faster recharge in comparison to traditional lithium-ion batteries. Whereas at the same time, the rugged patchy enclosure ensures fire safety, weather resistance and longer field life.
Let's ensure the safety of our keepers.
With our deployment ready tactical, yes.
Thank you everyone.
Jai
Jai
Hind.
Hind.